Watch misdirection this way, Jackson. Here he comes.
Go get him, Will! Go get him, Will!
Oh, nice move. Nice move. He's gone.
Go, Scott, Will!
Good now.
All right, good job.
Good pull.
Good job. Good run. Good run. Good run.
Don't stop, 27.
Let's go, Will. Let's go, defense.
Those were your swim shorts, not your wear to the ballpark shorts.
Hey, Blake. How are you? I'm good. Good. Good to see you. I know. I met your partner, your business partner. Yeah. Who's sitting here? Can I sit?
Well, here, my mother-in-law.
Sit there. No, you're
No, no. I'll stand back here.
I just wanted to. With Wells.
All right, all right.
We just struck up a conversation and started talking, and she was like, you know, my other son's playing at Simmons at the same time as archery. Could you bring him to Simmons? And then I think what she did was just check me out on Facebook. And all of a sudden she wrote me and she's like, you know Blake. So I think she checked me out before she let me drive in. And I was like, oh yeah. Our kids were on the same baseball team. She was like, oh, okay. So anyway, yeah, she's really fun. She sit with at archery. She spices things up for me.
They're coming over tonight actually. To watch the game.
Good. Oh, beautiful.
So yeah, they're coming over, and she has a funeral first, and then
Yeah.
oh, love him.
We're having friends over to watch the game too. And then Carson's having a couple of friends spend the night. We're putting a tent in the downstairs for all the boys. We're just gonna send them downstairs so they can sleep in the tent. Yeah.
Now, how is Ricky?
He's here.
This dude doesn't know what flag garden is. He shouldn't be out here.
He won't sit down. He's over there. He's way over there. Yeah, he does.
We don't want you to get my life. He already got one over by
No, the other game was got stuff on.
There you
Wow.
go. Pull out there.
What?
Hey, Donnie, where's Jim? Same spot right here.
Well, actually, they're back. They went down to Montgomery, and now
Let's go, Sil. Sil, hard and fast. Call it. Go get him, go get him. Good pull. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing this morning?
How you doing, man?
How's
Good to
everything
see you.
good? Same here.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. As soon as I walk in, I got job duties. Go, Sam. Let's go. Go, Sam. Go.
Will, go hard, Will.
Get him off!
Oh.
Nice.
Pass, Jackson.
Got to pull that one in, Austin.
Whoa. Whoa.
Nice fingertip. He could have grabbed that one. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, you got to have to start. Tough.
Safety's deep man, okay? Watch the guy running full speed. Get on.
Go, Sam. Go, go.
Go, Will. Go, Will. Right there in the middle.
Go, Will! Go!
Wide open in the middle. Wide open. You got to get your head in the game. Wide open. Good look, Jackson.
Hey, that's what it goes get him to.
Give it back. Here, I got it. Give it to the coach. Ball, Will. Go back out.
So what? It's in my car.
Hustle, Sam.
To the 50. You got 3 plays. Read the play, Austin. Read the play. Back.
Go for it, Jackson.
Pick it, pick it, pick
Get
it.
it. Ah.
He said, what is that home?
6-0.
Oh, shoot.
Step.
Go, defense. Get the ball back.
Stay at home, Austin. Stay at home. Get out there on him.
Go, Jack. Good.
Watch that football, Sam. Get on him, Jackson.
Hey,
Get
Austin.
there quick. Get there quick, Jackson.
Hey, Austin. Can't let him get to the blue.
Austin, blue lines, first down.
Go, defense.
Hey, if they roll out, Austin.
We're inside, Jackson. Jackson, we're inside, Jackson. Onside. Hold on, we're not ready. Wait, wait. Get up on the line, Jack. Right there. You ready? Austin, they got to get to the white line. That's it.
Sam, come on.
Come on, come on, bro.
Come over here, Sam. Come over here. Come on. Come on, Sam.
Keep going.
What are y'all stopping for, Austin? You don't. You do you hear a whistle?
It's the blue line. The white line's out. They thought the blue line was out. The white line is out. They thought when he crossed the blue that he was out.
Redskins, come on, line up, boys. Right through the whistle. White line.
No, I went right.
They'll blow the whistle when he's out.
So I brought it.
Go to the handoff guy. Right here. Use your mind. If he's going to hand it off,
Yeah, I saw that.
it's instinct, Jackson.
Stay home. She probably did. Coleman, did you ever decide if you wanted to do that
Orange line, guys. Orange line.
The teal run.
Orange line.
The head over teal, it's at the preserve. You know, Will Borland, it's his mom, you know, has ovarian cancer.
All right, good pull. That's all right. Good job, guys. Good job.
Get it, 27.
Good job.
You and Dylan going to play?
Coleman, don't you get dirty.
You can get that shirt dirty.
Y'all go back home though before you go to the movie.
Hey, Sam, I need you in there.
Wow, it's 49 to nothing. I know.
There you go. Flag guarding.
Go, Will.
Don't call that. No, he was getting ready to call flag guarding again. He doesn't know what flag guarding is. And he keeps throwing. He doesn't know. You know, you got to move your arms when you run.
It should be an obvious call.
Let's go, Sim. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Colts.
Yeah, beautiful play. Beautiful play. Beautiful play. Nice.
Real slants.
Good flag play.
Let's go, Sim. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Play. Right there. Good.
I guess he had to come up.
Second down. Get set, guys. Come on the lines. Come on the lines.
Ah, he called it. He called it. Penalty.
Toss it down, right?
Yeah, it's that simple.
We'll take the play. Good job, guys.
All right, third down.
Realistically, all he has to do is give him time to sit. But he's not doing it. He's throwing the flag and not even letting him sit. You know.
Well, he said he needed one more in the line.
That's it.
But you can have one in the backfield, so it doesn't matter.
You know, so if you're going to let that one person come up, let him come up before you throw the flag.
Halfway between them. Don't leave that middle of it.
It's hard. It's hard.
Play the inside guy, Wilson. Play the They can't run, guys. They cannot run. Don't run. Okay, watch this guy on the inside, okay? That's it. Roll. On the inside.
Go, Sim, go!
All right, defense, get the ball back.
Jackson, get on it, Jackson. Austin, break on that ball in the air.
Hey, read, hey, Austin, read which way they roll in the quarterback's eyes.
Come on, Will Womack. Let's get the ball back.
Jackson, if he hands off, go to the handoff.
Go, Jackson, go.
Go.
That's what I'm talking about. Jackson, that's it. Good job. Hey, let him roll that way. That's fine. Go to the handoff. How about get home back? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Clock's running.
Hey, Austin, if you don't hear the whistle, get his flag, okay?
Good job. Get down flat, Redskins. Let's go.
Nobody behind you.
Pass! Pass!
Oh, yeah!
Way to break the ball!
Nice play.
Way to break for the ball!
Good job. Pull it in, though, man. Pull it in.
Y'all settle down now. Just play your game.
Well, Sam, hold that middle.
Read the ball, Sam. Read the ball.
The white line is out. Jackson, if he hands it, go to the handoff.
Key number 2, Jackson. Watch number 2. Ball's going to number 2. Jackson, ball's going to number 2. Meet him there. Here he comes. He's coming around. There he is. Get it, Jackson. Get it, Jackson.
Here you are, Austin.
Get it, Jackson. Down.
Get it, Jack! Go, Jack, go! Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, for the tackle. if it hadn't been pads, it was going to be beautiful.
Yeah, tax on with that.
Yeah.
He would have scored it, I think, if he hadn't been holding it.
It is big. I mean, if he had had some pads on, it would have been a heck of a play, you know.
1 minute. Okay, so you got to stop it. It's 10 yards. Okay. Hey, Will?
Hey, Austin. The ball's hanging in the air. Go get the ball.
If we catch the football, we win the game. Is that simple?
Hey, y'all got back up? Back up to the cone.
Jackson!
That's the way to read it.
Way to be there. Sam, come Jackson, I need you big here. I need a sack. Will, get it. That's a great job, bud. That's what a player does right there. Good job.
good run.
I think he ran right on his flag.
I didn't mean to
Oh,
stand
no,
up right in
no,
front
no.
of your camera.
Nah, it's all good.
You
It's,
got my head in your video.
Nah.
We need to get together for family activity. I know. Because that one time, I think.
Yeah, that one time I was out of town.
Yeah, well, I didn't even come.
Oh, that's
You're not
Yeah,
scoring. Get out of
I
the
think
way.
because
Well, I thought he scored.
I was like, well, I'm not going to
right.
Because he hit the corner of the thing.
Yeah. So, are Drew and them still doing gymnastics? Drew?
Now, who's playing rugby?
Coleman.
That's awesome.
I know, it is. It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
I mean, but it's like just a cluster. I mean, they don't, you know, it's not at, Wilson goes, well, I want to play the passing game. And, you know, whatever. But a lot of Coleman's friends are, like, that we play baseball with, and they're playing. And so
How old is Coleman?
he's 9. He's 3rd grade. So, but he weighs almost 90 pounds. And Coleman is 64. I mean, they are two different children. There's Coleman, Rich, and Alvin.
Okay.
So he's just a thicker, physically.
Go, Redskins, go,
Not
go,
taller,
go!
though. So where y'all play next? Who do y'all play? The Redskins.
He gave, instead of throwing the flag,
He let him sell.
he let him shoot. See, when you all were doing it, he should have did the same thing.
Text Ashley, you good?
Yeah, I mean, you didn't volunteer to do it.
Right.
Go, Redskins, go!
There you go.
You guys got 36 seconds to score.
Yeah, what are they supposed to do?
Hey, come on, we gotta go.
Did you sign up for St. Jude again?
I did. Yeah, we're back to work full time.
Me too, pretty much. What are you teaching now?
I'm preschool instructional assistant. And
Orange line, Saint.
What time do you have to be?
I'll be there at 7:20 and I leave at 3:20 and go home and do homework.
That slant.
Show some dinner in the kids' mouth
He's
at
ready to
4.
run that slant.
At 4 to go to practice.
Right,
That
to
makes
go
sense.
to
Yeah.
wherever we have to go.
Yeah,
That's how we are.
yeah. I would because he's got it wide open.
We're running around the parking lot during the baseball.
Well,
Get him, Sam!
Trying to get it where I can, and I'm good.
Go get him! Go get him! Go get him!
I'm really good to get a 30-minute run in. I'm happy.
Come on, that's all right. That's all right.
Get up at 5:30 to go run, and then I mean, I usually go to the gym 3 times a week, and at 5:45, and then I'm done twice a week at 5:30. It ruins your whole life because at 9 o'clock when the kids go to bed, I'm like in the bed ready to go to bed. Because as soon as I get in from my run at 6:30, I have to get ready because when I take the kids to school, I'm running late.
Right.
You know.
And I like to be at least showered and dressed before the kids get up.
Sal, disrupt it because Jackson's going to pass it.
But you don't want to be going to run by yourself.
Second down, guys.
No. No. I run.
Where your mouthpiece at?
Scott leaves the house at 5, so which is fine. Previously,
Go! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Nice! Oh! Hey! Hey! Good job! You did what you're supposed to do. Go ahead. Go down. Run down.
I mean, I'm still doing it. But I am working, my cousin owns a cardio shop. It's very small.
He knows not to
So
play
his
that.
wife are running it, and they asked me
Everybody should be 7
I work 8 to 2. I do title work and just
It is
retail,
what
like
it is.
when they sell a car retail. Exclusive auto
Give him enough
wholesale.
time, man.
And they do a lot of
Find
things.
somebody
They're
open.
starting to do retail. And
That's one thing he is good about.
he's working.
Checking down.
That's it. I told him, you did what you were supposed to do. The rest is on everybody else.
That's it.
That's it.
So I was doing all the retail title work there too, and so when Drew needed me, I was like, okay, so it's easy. It's not.
Go Redskins!
Sam, watch the middle. Watch the middle, Sam. Watch the middle.
Yeah!
Because you were subbing all the time.
What did he do?
He called him over the line. Where'd he call him? Over the line?
Okay.
That dude's new. How much time is left? Probably what, 15 seconds? It was 32.
What's time, ref?
We're giving away 2 points.
Let's go defense!
We'll figure that out.
Hey, nobody behind you guys.
They only got one play, Jackson.
Jackson, get ready!
Jackson, it's one play, Jackson. One play. Watch number 2.
Keep everything in front of you.
You'll find number 2 out there, Austin.
Hey, Austin. Great catch, buddy. Great job. Great route. Jackson, great pass.
Let's go defense!
Jackson, watch number 2 over there.
Go Redskins!
Go at him, Sam. Go. Here he comes. Here he comes. Pass! Pass!
That's it.
Get